Hi, this is Polyvan Teachers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Dear children, in this video, I will be telling you about the storyline and the brief summary of the chapter Black Aeroplane. So if I talk about the events, so there are a lot of things which happened in the story in the beginning. The narrator, who is actually the pilot of the old aeroplane Dakota, he decides to fly to his native land, that is England, from France, and he takes this flight in the night. When he starts his flight, it was the sky was clear and there was no cloud. Suddenly there was an emergence of stormy, huge cloud in the sky, and then he found that all his supporting materials like electronic gadgets like compass, radio and other instruments, they all failed. He also lost his control with the Paris control room. So all these incidents happened one after the other. He also lost his connection with the Paris control room, and then he also found that there was hardly enough fuel in the plane. So it was very difficult for him to decide whether to continue his flight or to come back. So basically lot of things were happening one after the another. So these are actually, if we categorize it, it comes in the heading of events. Now if I talk about the climax of the story, so suddenly when there were so many things happening with him, there was an emergence of a black aeroplane in the sky, and what happened, the pilot of the black aeroplane, he signaled, he just waved his hand and gave a signal to the narrator to follow him. So this time was this is actually the climax of the story. And finally, he landed safely. Now, if I talk about the resolution of the story, the moment the plane landed, Dakota, the moment the Dakota old aeroplane landed, the pilot or the narrator, he went to the control room and asked the lady sitting over there about the black aeroplane. But to his utmost surprise, the lady sitting on the other side replied that there were no aeroplanes in the sky during that time. So the story ended with a big question mark, that if there was no aeroplane in the sky at that time, then where did it go? If I talk about the brief summary of the story starts with the introduction of the narrator, who is actually a pilot of the old aeroplane. The name of the aeroplane is Dakota. He starts his flight in the night, and at that time the sky was clear, the moon was shining, and the weather was okay. He started his flight, and he had this feeling of meeting his family next morning, and he was going from Paris to England, and it was all okay. He had a control with he had a good connection with the Paris control room, and they were instructing him to move towards the 12° west, and he took his plane in that direction. Now Paris was 150 kilometers behind. The pilot or the narrator of the story was very much excited to meet his family and to have a very tasty British breakfast next morning, and all filled with dreams, he was flying his plane. Suddenly there was an emergence of a huge stormy black cloud in the sky. At first he thought that it was a cloud, but it also brought storm in the sky, and he was in a dilemma as to whether to move forward, continue his flight or to come back. he found that he lost his connection with the control room. He also found that there were the other instruments, which were electronic instruments which were helping him, were not working now, like compass and radio and other electronic instruments. So he was in a dilemma as to what to do. Finally, he decided to continue with his journey, and he took the risk. The moment he entered the cloud, he found that there was complete darkness inside, and he was just confused as to what to do next. Then he found that there was another aeroplane. It was a black aeroplane, and somebody sitting on the seat of the pilot, that means the pilot of that aeroplane, was waving him as if to instruct him to follow the black aeroplane. And this narrator, the pilot, he followed the black aeroplane. There was hardly enough fuel in the Dakota, and he was not able to understand what was happening at that point of time. The fuel was only enough for a flight of next 5 to or 10 minutes. Suddenly, he saw 2 straight lines down and found that it was a runway. And so, finally, he landed safely. The narrator or the pilot of Dakota was very happy that he landed safely on the runway. He turned back to see the black aeroplane, but it was not there. He finally went to the control room to inquire about the black aeroplane. Actually, he wanted to thank the pilot of that black aeroplane. But the lady sitting in the control room, she denied. She replied that there was no aeroplane in the sky during that period of time. So the entire story ends over here with a big question mark, that where did this black aeroplane disappear? So this is all about the story. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PollyBandTeaches. I also keep writing blogs in my website, that is polybandteaches.wordpress.com.